Exhaling, bring the knees into the chest, give them a squeeze on the exhale. Inhale, release away a little bit. Squeeze, release. And now holding just behind the right leg, stretch your left leg back down on the floor. On the inhale, stretch the right leg up in the air, flexing the foot. Point and flex. And then take that leg out to the side, right leg going out to the right. Reach your left hand out to the left. Still point and flex. You can circle the ankle around in one direction and then around in the opposite direction. And then on the exhale, bend that knee, give it a hug. Inhale, stretch that leg back up in the air. On the exhale, cross that leg over the midline of the body and down toward the floor on the left. Reach the right arm out to the right. You can use your left arm to help prop up underneath that leg. Take a breath here. And on the exhale, give that knee a hug, rolling back onto your back. Inhale, stretch that leg up straight. Exhale, give it a hug once again. And inhale, go into a full body stretch. Both legs down on the floor in one direction, arms in the opposite direction. Then exhaling, bringing both knees into the chest once again. Give them a hug in on the exhale. Release the knees away on the inhale. Back and forth with the knees a couple times with your breath. On the exhale, give the knees a squeeze. Inhale, release. And now holding behind just the left leg, stretch the right leg out along the floor. Hold behind the back of the left leg and stretch the left leg up as straight as it's willing to go today. And point and flex. And circle the ankle around. And then taking the leg out to the left, use your left hand and arm to help prop up that leg. Reach your right arm out to the right. Circle the ankle around. Both directions. On the exhale, bend that knee, give it a hug. Inhale, stretch that leg up in the air. Exhale, crossing that leg over the midline of the body, left leg coming down toward the floor on the right. Reach the left arm out. You can use your right arm underneath that leg to help prop it up. Take a breath here. And on the exhale, give that leg a hug, rolling back onto your back. Inhale, take that leg up in the air. Exhale, bring it back in. And inhale, full body stretch. Legs in one direction, arms in the other. And then exhale, walk both legs in. Give them a squeeze, release once again. Squeezing on the exhale, releasing on the inhale. And then bring your feet back to the floor and rest.